Hi everybody and welcome to Stock Abilities. Today I'm going to be talking about Trump and his infrastructure plan. In practice it sounds pretty good. In reality it doesn't sound all that great, and I'm going to tell you why here if you listen in. So make sure to like, share, and comment below with your own opinions of this, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like this content. Now, the plan commits $800 billion of assorted tax breaks to get developers to build things. Ultimately, it's not going to exactly benefit the small world, the rural world, the local towns, the local cities, the ones that need the most repairs and all of that. It's going to be benefiting more big business, buildings and investors and businesses. You won't see much in regards to benefiting local as you can see here. It's America is in dire need of vast investments in infrastructure. Country suffers from overflowing sewage drains, crumbling bridges, rusting railroad tracks, outworn roads, and public transportation systems rivaling those of third world nations. And ultimately, the plan was kind of to indicate that they're going to work on this kind of stuff, but unfortunately, you're not going to see much of a budget go towards that. It doesn't amount to $1 trillion of new federal investment in infrastructure. It would commit $200 billion of federal dollars over 10 years, combined with $800 billion of assorted tax breaks to get developers to build things instead of the federal government doing it. That's hardly its plan. As they say, it's not much more than a page of talking points. In other words, it's hype for the little people, but ultimately it will benefit Trump, big business, and investors. Now, if you're on the stock market, it's going to be pretty good as long as you get in the companies in relation to it, like steel companies, things like that, anything in connection to the infrastructure in that particular area there. And it goes in a little bit more details. The other thing to read here, kind of more of a quick summarization in regards to it. The federal government owns little infrastructure for Trump to privatize. And that essentially sums up what I just said here. You're not going to get ultimately that much benefit unless you're an investor or you're the business and association with the bigger infrastructure projects. As you can see here, there was some anticipation for the infrastructure news, and then it kind of went down and up and down and up. And Trump talked more, and it kind of settled down. And at least this particular stock here, as you can see, this one follows pretty much the exact same trend. It's a very manipulated market, as you can see. And you go a little bit further, you got one that follows a very similar trend as well. And then, of course, you got some that actually stayed up, but of course, this is just an overall growth for the particular steel company in question. And then you got another one here, it's overall up and had a spike in the morning, just like the other ones for an anticipation. And then this one had another spike and a continuation. So overall, for the steel companies, it's going to benefit them a lot. It's something to consider getting into. Other than that, I believe that covers everything I wanted to highlight in this video, so make sure to like and share and subscribe to the channel if you want more videos just like this.